How cool would it be if you could snap just one picture of something and then tell a program, hey, show me what it looks like if a camera spirals all the way around it, like from this to this? Well, you are in luck because hey there, and how are you doing? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn a single image into a dynamic 3D consistent video. So are you excited? Well, let's go. Click the Hugging Face link in the description and let's get started. The program we are going to use is called Stable Virtual Camera, also known as SIVA. Here we need to add the image. Let's first try out this example image. Now click on Pre-Process Image. Now leave all the settings as it is and then press Render Video. Now this will take a while. To be exact, the first render phase is 10 minutes and then you get this. And then it will render another 10 minutes. Let me speed it up and add Dobby dancing. This is the result. I really love it. Now I want to try it with a picture of my own. I mean, let's go to Google's AI Studio and generate an AI influencer full body like this. Okay, this one will work. Now we will go to the CapCut upscaler and upscale it to 4K. Now, let's add the image to our new AI tool. Oh, and let me crop it so the Gemini watermark will not be visible. And press Pre-Process. Now, this took like 4.5 minutes. Now let's render it. All in all, this took less than 20 minutes. Here is the video. Yeah, it kind of failed, but let's try something else. Let's generate another image in Gemini, like a 3D Disney monster. Yes, this is perfect. Let's upscale it again in CapCut. Now add the image. When we go to the settings here, we can also change the way the camera should move. Let's pick Spiral this time. Now let's pre-process it and render it again. Here is Dobby while we wait in speed mode. And yes, this also took like 20 minutes. Here is the result. Let's do it again, but choose another camera movement.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step.
Here is the result. When we go to advanced, you can also make a video where the camera goes from one image smoothly to the other. But it didn't work that well, and maybe you have more luck. Plus, I had enough of those long waiting times. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Play around with this new free-to-use AI tool, and let me know in the comments what you think of it. Have a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never, ever, 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 never, ever, 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 never miss another Mr. Lemon video. And guys, be sure to become a member and get access to all the membership perks. See you in the next video. Bye.